I haven't been filming any of this because I've just been trying to survive. It's snowing.
It is.
Yeah, I'm going to the backyard. So come on, I'm coming with you. It's snowing. It's snowing a lot. Wow. What do you think, guys? Brr. Good morning. What is this? It's snow, guys. Come on. Go potty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not interested. Go potty. No? Oh, goodness. Oh, my word. You're so cold. Okay, do you go potty or not? Yeah? Go potty. Go potty. Oh, my goodness. Snow on your feet. Oh my God. Hurry, hurry. Oh my goodness. No, no, not on the bed.
I hate it here.
Come here, come lay in the dog bed. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a blankie. There's a blankie for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, get off that bed.
Down.
Oh my goodness. Shaking, shivering. Come on. You guys will thank me. Okay, I need to go potty. Go potty. You love it now. I gotta get my shoes on. You can run in the snow. Your paws aren't freezing. Oh, he got poo-poos. Baxter. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah. I didn't put on a jacket. Woo. Well, I almost slipped. One of his shoes came off. Oh my.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
What happened to your shoe? Okay. Your brother's pooping. What happened to your other shoe? Where'd you lose it? Look, all the fresh, fluffy, big snowflakes are falling. How romantic.
It's crazy.
Whoa, a lot. Come here. Oh my gosh! He gets so mad his hair stands up. He's like, I can't believe it. Did you get Baxter?
Baxter is curled up on the covers. Why do you have it on 2x Zoom? I'll bust your ass.
I'm on thin ice, Buster. Oh my god! It's big. Okay, come back.
This is the Krista. Buster, come on.
Come on, come inside. Let's go, let's go. Oh my goodness. Come on. It's snowing in Texas.
It's pretty wild.
Do you want to make a snowman?
Like that has gloves.
Okay.
I'm about to go put my heavy jacket on.
Oh.
No, please don't, please don't. Please do not do that.
My hand, too cold.
Yeah, I told you, you don't have gloves on.
Snowman? I mean, snow angel? I'm wearing very thin
Yeah, you're
leggings.
not.
It's Monday morning. And I think it's like in the 20s. And then tomorrow is supposed to be worse. And so it's going to be in the like single digits. And going to feel like 0. Crazy. Could life get better at this point? I don't think it could. Look at this. I am in my kitchen. Don't have to work today because the computers are down at the office. There is snow on the ground. I like to pretend I live somewhere where there's volcanoes and mountains because this is a dirt company behind me. And look, it looks like snow-capped mountains. Let me live in my delusion. And it's the day after Valentine's Day, so a box of chocolates, some beautiful flowers. I have some mushrooms soaking in salt water. I'm going to make some stuffed mushrooms. I am just thriving and I'm so happy today. I'm so incredibly happy. Life is good. Life is really good. It's freezing out here and a dangerous icicle. There are so many birds out here. Ooh. Bird. Look at this. Wow. There was icicles all over this morning, but I didn't have my phone on me. Y'all can't catch birds, guys. I'm sorry. Oh no, my little ice pond melted. I could not live somewhere where it snowed all the time. Can't do it. What's wrong? I'm gonna take this one down. I don't want it to stab my dogs or me. Ugh. Woof. I'm cold, guys. I'm gonna go back inside. You're happy to have your grass back? I wonder if the grass is cold. Oh no. Mm-mm. How weird. How weird, huh? Oh wow, look. My neighbors. Look at this grass. How interesting.
Come look at this guy's overlay.
A gift for you.
I don't want that.
Grab it, please. Hurry.
Baby, it's so
Hurry.
cold.
I know.
Ah, why?
It's a gift for
Look at
you.
this guy's overlay. It actually moves when he moves and clicks when he clicks and stuff.
Oh wow.
You see how he's doing stuff in the paint. Why am I holding my icicle?
Don't curse.
This is getting thrown, you know that, right?
We'll take it. Go outside. Don't throw it.
What do you want me to do with it?
Go in the
Baby, I'm barefoot. This
I
can get
know.
sick.
Go in the sun. You.
I set it down. I set it down softly. I didn't expect it to break. I'm so sorry.
Look, it's warm in the sun. The ground is warm. I wanted to check my little gutters because the neighbors snapped in half. Oh, don't be a baby.
It's pretty cold.
Oh, your car is still covered. Let's go get supplies for food. We don't have to eat any more cans. I haven't been filming any of this because I've just been trying to survive. Hi. But I totally need to film this. I got some bacon in a cast iron. I'm going to throw in. Need my light. Okay. I'm throwing some onions. There we go. This is a smoker, and we have some logs and coals down there in the little smoker box. And then we just put my cast iron pot on top to try to cook dinner for us. It's burning my eyes. I don't have clothes for winter and stuff, so I have just a scarf with holes in it, a jacket. I'm pretty warm. I'm wearing pajama pants and house shoes, so gotta make do with what I got. I've had power this whole time except for tonight. The power went out around 6 o'clock, so just trying to make it work. Look at him. Buster, come on. Come inside, baby. Come inside. Let's go. Come on. I know. Come inside. Come on. Come on. There you go. I also have, this is some frozen mashed cauliflower. We're gonna try to cook that also. Okay, I'm gonna let those go for a little bit, get them heated through, and then I think I'm just gonna season it. I think I'm just gonna season it with salt and pepper and maybe some garlic powder. That's the setup. I'm gonna cook the cauliflower mashed potatoes. I don't have power. I only have 50% left of my battery, so I can't film the rest of the evening. Actually, let me show you what I got the house set up like. So I have my twinkly lights as the main lighting source. I have a couple candles around. I have this nice thing my brother has. So that's the kitchen. Got my water dripping. Cabinets open. And there's the puppy dog. I opened up a 2-liter of Dr. Thunder and a mushroom cloud of soda came spewing out, spilling all over the floor. So I have to mop up all the sugary soda using candles on the floor so I can see where the soda is. Oh my goodness. This is life right now. Gotta love it. Gotta say, I'm having an awfully romantic dinner with my brother.
Oh, sorry.
We let the dogs sleep in the bed with us last night. We woke up, the power was back on, and the dogs were enjoying being under the blankets. You're cuddling together, babies. Alright guys, our power came back on this morning before we woke up, but it just went off and it's dinner time.
We don't know if this is safe, but man.
Yeah, we don't know if we're gonna get poisoned to death with a propane tank in here, but yeah, like we said. You're shredding the cheese. What are we having for dinner?
Winter 2020.
You don't know. Chicken spaghetti. Do we have a light we can see better? See, I would not have added that cream mushroom soup.
Really?
Yeah. We have cream and a whole block of cheddar. That's all we needed.
Oh well. Hey.
But like I said yesterday, I don't have a lot of battery.
My light's out.
Oh, you said the lights came on?
Yeah, when it got bright, I thought the lights came
Sorry.
on.
I can't film a whole bunch because I gotta let my battery survive.
We can charge them in the car, Brooke.
Yeah, but I don't want to go out there in the car. What a silly goose. Making some spaghetti. Somebody touching my spaghetti.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Is the candle necessary when the flash is on?
Well, the flash was not on, okay?
It's better with the flash because you can't really see anything.
Take a good look in there. Put that on a cracker, dude. You just told me you hate that guy.
I hate that guy.
That's why I said it.
You can edit it. But you need to put that in there. Let them know we hate that guy. This is Texas.
So stupid. This is the finished product. Some chicken spaghetti. Or canned chicken spaghetti. Cooked on a propane stove. It's looking good. Bon appetit. You hungry?
Very.
How are you very hungry when you had a ribeye and all kinds of stuff? I see the steam. It's not because it's piping hot. It's just so cold in here. This is about how the rest of the night's going to go. Sitting here, candles, jar of suckers, chicken spaghetti.
We're discussing.
Just ranking cereals and chips with my brother and boyfriend. And the 2 beagles. Where's Baxter? I thought he was right next to me. That was creepy.
No, he's right here. He's posted up by where he thinks he's going to get fed up.
I hope everyone else is staying warm and safe, and I hope they're fed. We are very blessed, so I'll probably catch up with you guys in the morning to see if the power comes back on or not. Bye. The power did come back on, but I forgot to record anything, so here's a cute little picture of my dogs cuddling with me. So we thought we were out of the woods, but 2 transformers blew outside. So we're back to no power. I gotta end this clip because the copyrighted music.
Don't record this. This is a shame.
This guy.
Me? You're taking the light to the bathroom with you while we're trying to cook.
Man, you could have been
Cooking in the
really
dark. I think this ends the winter storm of 2021. Oh, judging. I've been working on some stuff, but I think we're done with the winter storm. Echo, is it going to be cold tonight?
This evening, you can look for mostly clear skies with temperatures around 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Well, okay, it might be at freezing, but I think we're done with like the real bad winter storm. So thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.